People who blush easily are more generous and trustworthy than those who don't. We automatically assume someone's behavior is due to their core, enduring personality, and not due to the situation they're in. This is known as the fundamental attribution error. Life is a gift, and it offers us the privilege, opportunity, and responsibility to give something back by becoming more. Research shows that people underestimate the joy of unexpected social calls. In fact, it is found that most people appreciate an unexpected phone call, text, or email just to say hello and connect with others. True love requires faith, trust, and loyalty, not chocolate, flowers, and expensive gifts. Don't speak negatively about yourself. Even as a joke, your body doesn't know the difference. Words are energy and cast spells. That's why it's called spelling. Change the way you speak about yourself and you can change your life. What you're not changing, you're also choosing. One of the most efficient ways you can improve your life is by simply thinking in a more positive way. Most of the girls fall in love with the one who avoids them most. Sometimes jealousy isn't because of what you have. Materialistically, people envy how others love you, the vibes you give, and how you carry yourself so well. One day you will meet someone who will understand your story and protect you because they won't want you to suffer the same pain again. Beauty is in the way you hold yourself. It's how you treat people, the way you love. It's self-acceptance. Beauty is in your soul. Holding in tears and pretending to be okay puts a lot of stress on your mind as well as your heart. Crying keeps you healthy. Someday everything will make sense. So for now, laugh at the confusion, smile through the tears, and keep reminding yourself that everything happens for a reason. The strongest drug that exists for a human is another human being. Somebody is mad at you right now because you picked peace over drama and distance over disrespect. A bad mood is never an excuse to use cruel words, never. Moods pass, but cruel words wound the soul. Please don't judge people. You don't know what it took someone to get out of bed. Look and feel as presentable as possible and face the day. You never truly know the daily struggles of others. A true relationship is having someone who accepts your past, supports your present, loves you, and encourages your future. When old people tell you their stories, don't stop them. They are reliving their old days. No one in this world is pure and perfect. If you avoid people for their little mistakes, you will always be alone. So judge less and love more. Psychology claims that if the past lovers can remain just friends, it's either they are still in love or never were. The reason you wake up just before you die and dream is because the brain doesn't know what comes after death. Listen to people when they are angry, because that is when the truth comes out. Guys are more talkative than girls are, especially you. Why? When the topic is about girls, the human mind only maintains complete trust once on each person. Once broken, it's never the same. A guy often thinks about the girl who likes him, but this doesn't mean that the guy likes her. Always go with the choice that scares you the most, because that's the one that is going to help you grow. When somebody isn't right for you, God will continuously cause them to hurt you until you're strong enough to let them go.